Welcome back. If you just join us, of course, on the Ubonge Good Morning Naija show. And you don't miss our top 3 segment, newspaper headline review as well. But we'll enter the Ubonge just when we say we get this particular morning. Yes, of course, we don't hear the gist about the inmates when we say they're free for Imo State. Almost 2,000, make we happen around them up by that particular number. We said this particular thing, we said, don't they happen for country. We don't ever see the one we say happen for Edo. Now, Imo State's own don't also shell. Right now, they try bring those inmates back. Meanwhile, focus also still there onto that attack will happen. For one corner, they say they raid armory of police. For another corner, police saying a lie. They not raid our armory. What's they really shell? First of all, then they attack police people with different divisions for this country. Just they creep, they come. This one, they carry explosive. Come this time. Now we see the headline we say show for morning. They tell them say Jesus Christ don't free una, so they're not getting any reason today here. They say them just come out Easter service, enter the prison, do what they do. Now let God hand in the matter day. But get a bonge guest we go sit down with us this morning to discuss this matter. Oga Chuko, them Omiragwa, when be social commentator 9 days inside studio here with us, make we discuss this matter. Oga Chuko, this matter, I always like to repeat this case. Say what thing happen now, not like we just sleep, it just happen. It don't the waka, they come. From Abia State to Akwa Ibom, then they either they burn one police station every week. Several times they don't burn about 2 inspectors inside their very van. And when they attack these police stations, they go always collect gun. They go. You better say Imo State's own, just raise the bar higher this time. Say they carry explosive. First blow before they gain entry. Tell them say go and sin no more. What do you feel about this thing that they happen?
To be sincere with you now, no matter where we say it called for serious concern to every Nigerian, most in particular the government will sit down for the center. I always talk say when things be side effect, Nigeria always the true way face. Now when it don't turn major problem, it will be like say we get the shots right, left, center, and top. I believe say the Nigerian government see this thing coming. They saw it because not just last week Monday, Night Police on top their verified Twitter handle they post 2 guys where they say okay this one are IPOB and ESN members when they confess the way that they attack police. I believe say that one are enough reason for securities there to gather intelligence because that's one of the major things where we support know them for. They suppose don't they enter every nook and cranny for inside that state. They won't understand how they move, be then them support the beef up security. But now make I even leave the security aspect first. Make we dissect the scenario. Take our time, look because we're not stupid now. We still they think small. Even if they think say we not they think, may we let them know say we they think small. Now the scenario they say happened over the early hours of on Monday. And according to a report, they said they first they dance, they sing first for a while before they busting. They busting with plenty Hilux van busting. Over hundreds of them. That not be small number. If 50 people gather here, this place not go contain. 20 people stand here. You go even shock safe. Now, prison not be just one person compound when you go just enter, you just come out. They can't burst in. They succeed in pulling out like 1,844 inmates. Free them. Many things, if I think I'll call the last small, but then me, I want me to just take them step by step. Now they free them. Like say na syndicate attack, they happen for you, because we not go visit at the same set. Now from the prison, I can go headquarters, police headquarters for Imo. Go pull another stunt again. After they pull that stunt, they try to enter the armory house. According to police report, Frank Mba, their talk person, he said no, they repelled them back. That's what we hear. But one of our newspaper come as I cannot want call the newspaper in a way or no.
Yeah.
Come outside this morning, talk, say they gain access. They
park.
They park. The ones that they not fit park, they call burn them. Make the media they careful too. Make them they write professionally. Because this thing so we don't see and say don't the creep go a level when it be say not to me I just say why we never see things they happen for the northern part of Nigeria.
Why you say make media they careful? You feel say that report when media give not be true? Because if it there two ways. If you say for police PR side, if that news really come out, say yes, these people raid army, common sophisticated weapon, burn the remaining, that's if it creates fear and panic. It could be true, it could also not be true.
Good. That's why I be media man.
Yes.
If we look at our media now, we not really get much of investigative journalism anymore. We just they rely on reports when it be so okay. We get from one or two sources and all that. But in as much as it did like that, we need to be very careful and very technical with the way we disseminate informations, with the way they capture headlines. Because just one small headline, if he spark up something, the ripple effect he go get disastrous. So in this kind of matter now, after all these things don't happen, police come outside, they give their statement, and the one we call the chalk everybody, they make people they feel one kind. Now IGP statement, it called pinpoint IPOB, say now them pull this stunt IPOB ESN.
Meanwhile, police people talk saying that gunmen. They not give anybody. And no group don't come claim responsibility.
And now IPOB does still come outside according to their talk person, Emmanuel Power. He say IPOB not do anything like that. IPOB, they not be unknown group. They be known group.
Yes.
So if not them, they go no say not them.
Yeah.
From there, it start to bring mixed feelings. Yeah. Say why IGP, in as much as he get all the informations for a hand, they free to get infos, right, left, and centers and all that. But then again, to me, I feel say if for tarry for a while, he call a preliminary investigation. But then to me, I feel say if for relax a little bit, because a lot of people now they pinpoint say things happen for a boy. You not come outside talk quick.
Anything. So the presidency now don't even describe it as
no, you not talk
terrorism.
Quick. When I saw now they still they investigate. Things they happen for places.
Yes.
Now they still they investigate there. But this one you quick name bash. Within 24 hours, you don't call name. So based on that, I feel say the IGP is supposed to understand the sensitivity of Nigeria now. Say a lot of mixed feeling. We did a very critical situation now for Nigeria. So calling names now, they slow a little bit. Make una conduct enough investigation so that when you they call name, you they back them up with enough facts. Okay, see, based on this, he points to you. Based on this, he points to you. Based on that, he points to you. But this one, you just call the name, that's all.
I tell you, as we speak now, of course, states of emergency don't already set for certain states.
Abia State.
Of course.
Ipeazu don't knock out from 10 to 6.
He blessed that like 2 states where that thing don't declare that state of emergency.
Uma itself, don't follow up too.
Own as well. You know, but what's even shocking past now, when presidency can't describe that issue as act of terrorism, I can't say don't take where I hear this term. Last time where I hear this term, now top Boko Haram head. When bandits, in quotes, they clear communities, they kidnap people, they hold states to ransom. I don't hear where that term come from. We call them banditry, we call them gunmen. Even though we can't get middleman, when we say even don't turn PRO for the bandits them.
The bandits.
Nobody don't sit them down, nobody don't invite them in. You know, to say, oh God, this has gone beyond. Last time we say Gumi be make last week, he say Fulani headsmen say then they vex for this other get one other Islamic group when don't infiltrate the north. The statement when make join that one, I make me look left and right say no, person now let me in this country. The man say because within that other group they do, they against the ideals of Fulani headsmen.
They against their ideologies.
They against the ideology. I say what a wow. To say you don't sit down.
if they get access to them, they talk to them, but Nigerian security agencies not the feel reach them. See, all this rough where they happen with the year from right and center, Shai Gumina don't be the man will be like hero. If we want to look this, if we want to take a right from origin, they won't go back to history. Yes. You will find that say all these things that me and I talking about the same thing. No, but if you want go back to history, you will find out say all these things be like an agenda. And to him, you don't say talk on what say they're not be bandits, they're not be bad people. Then now, who be all these people? You'll find out say if you look at critically, read between the lines, you'll find out say in they refer to them as the Almajiri soldiers, which is legal in the Quran. Yeah. They call themselves the Almajiri soldiers. These are people that don't breed over time to stand as, you know, for church all those time, they get boys brigade, boys brigade for Anglican church. These people be like that in a way, they are Almajiri. So in they see them like that, he said now many years of neglect that make them come they do this kind of thing. That's why he always they stand on one ground and say, make government talk to them, bring them back to the society because they be normal people. And if you read in between the lines, he talks something at a time. He said for the government know them. They know these things. So why una they tag them like this? Because una know. Say this thing, now based on our belief, these people, they not be bad people. They be this kind of people. But then again, you go look, what did they do? Is he against the state? Yes, because they kidnap people. Yes. They during the process, but they carry heavy firearms too. But we not to go into that one. Not be like say we don't want digress now.
Before we go into that matter, we get person when they online. Chidera Aneke, she be health journalist for Darling FM Owerri, and it blesses she been witness waiting being shelled as person will be say day on ground. Hello Chidera, good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, Chidera, good morning.
Good morning, Lagos. Good morning, Unatwede for studio.
Chidera, beg, as person will say you did the state, make we first of all just give us small gist. How the state day at the moment following what happened for the prison?
On Sunday night will be Easter. All of us go outside, we go jolly now. We get event that day. So we don't jolly finish. We just come back. We come back around 1 a.m. As we don't reach house, so you never say where we just reach house, we just be lie down, won't lie down, rest. You get waiting to happen. Around 3, we just start to hear gunshots. As the gunshots, they do ta 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 ta. I say, waiting they happen. My window be day open because the weather day hot. I say, it's like say robbers don't enter this area. But then I come start to hear footsteps. People they move. It be like people they move for group. I come they ask myself. Now Easter what they do no be Christmas. You know, say if not Christmas, people they walk around by that time. But now Easter be this, why we just get this number of people they move around. So they move confidently, they talk like say nothing they happen. Now later for morning I come here say, my colleague they tell me say for her window where she they look out, she see them as they walk out they go. She come here, she come, close that window too. That I can't wake up for morning, I come here saying a prison break we don't happen for Owerri. The matter tire also. So one of our colleagues come waka go that area because the area they close to government house. If you see, you get one hotel where the market prison, government house, and then that state CID where they also enter. So I come here say they carry explosives enter the place. So because as my colleague they yarn me after the gunshot in here like boom, boom, boom like 3 times. You get. So it be like now when they break down the walls. So as we come wake up for morning, we see say fire don't burn the place, fire don't burn some of the vehicles where they inside the state CID, and some prisoners don't come out. Woman where they sell food close to our area, I can't talk say for that morning now she they sell food. You get person where waka enter there, she no know, but the person looks somehow. Can't be like say the person gets whether na gunshot, whether na pistol, she talk, I know to remember. But she talk say the person they in a hurry, they holler and make him push food for him. In carry, it be like saying carry waiting in where before him put him for bits in between his knees. Then carry a backpack. So I think just put food in the aggressive, in the like person where they in a hurry. So he just put food for him, he just throw away 500 naira for him. Come waka, they go. So we can't wait for information from from the people where they lead us. It take a bit before we come get information from the police PRO, tell us say this thing don't happen, and then from the prison spokesperson, he can tell us say na true this now waiting happen, but make we day calm. But they don't barricade that area so people know they fit past that area again. And the funny thing be said, this thing don't extend states where they're close to Imo now. Don't they take precaution? Because for Oka where they for Anambra State,
yes.
I don't see say they don't block the road where they close to the prison where they for Oka too. That the latest be that.
All right. Chidera, thank you very much. I wish I could get access to that my website. They sell food. Make I ask them. True. How that conversation take go. The person be speak language given. You know, he reached to know that kind of thing. The person maybe say she also fits. You know, now boy maybe say she don't see around the area. You know those kind of paroles there. For good.
I know they're close to him now. If you say they're close to him, I forgive him the phone. But waiting worry and be say. She said she never see the face before, and her pikin been the worry and making give him something. Her pikin needed something. So as the pikin come, they tell her, Mama, make you give me this thing.
Children.
The person come vex, come the way when he take power for the pikin. Fear self catch the woman. So he just hurry, quick, put food for the man. Then the man come waka go.
All right, Chidera. So what's be the mood now for Owerri? How things day? It dey calm?
It did very calm. After that thing happened, it can't be like saying at Christmas we celebrate. Road come they calm a little. Some of the people who have followed up been tell me say he had them to, you know, to reach their workplaces. People way past that area, you know, because they don't do investigation. Security don't they try, may they find some people, may they also make sure everybody be safe. But as I tell you, tension day. A little because people don't they talk say the police checkpoints where been they did that area before because they passed that area very well. You know they again the police posts where they they like that night where we passed that 1 a.m. where we passed that place.
Yes.
They know they.
Wow.
And it been warriors. I did with my colleagues them. They talk say these people know day today.
And that was before the attack.
That was before. As we get home now around 3 a.m. I hear gunshots. So around
so
that.
Regular police checkpoints when they did there, not day.
Few
hours later, that attack can't happen.
Yeah. Now
right now, with the banter report, for one corner, you get paper when the report say these guys get access to armory, collect sophisticated weapons when they burn the remaining. Police on the other hand say not be so. But you know say for person when they on ground, the main gist go down the flow. Which kind of feedback you they get concerning that development?
You know, say I've been talking. Say you know to get official statement initially.
Yes.
It take before we really get information. And as they try access the place, they know agree us. They don't block the place. They don't really agree us enter the place. So now later we come they get reports. So I don't know how they take up how they take enter. But what I know be say those people they prepare come. You get. They prepare, come. And you know, say before, during that NCoS protest, they've been barricade that place before. They've been barricade that road where they're close to prison. You get for a while before they can't come out. You get the road can't be free. So I don't know whether now from there they go carry the armory or whether they carry them come. You get, but now the confidence where they marvel me because they can't.
No casualty, right? You don't hear of case of any policeman die or anything like that.
I know hear of any casualty. I know here.
All right, Chidera, thank you so much for your contribution. Chidera Aneke, she be health journalist for Darling FM Owerri. Make we talk and say she they gave us, I don't call them direct eyewitness account. Call and say maybe like third-person account rather for waiting happen for that particular state. Have a fantastic day, Chidera. Make we continue to go Chuko. Omiragwa when they inside here with us. You don't hear from waiting Chidera talk.
Yeah.